Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make Sukha Bhel at home. For this recipe, you will need kurmura, raw peanuts, oil, some spices, sev, masala chana dal, puris, green chilies and curry leaves. Heat some oil in a pan and stir fry the raw peanuts. Once they are almost 50% done, add the green chilies and curry leaves. Now add the salt, red chili powder and turmeric powder and mix well. Put the peanuts aside and roast the kurmura for about a minute or two. In a large bowl, add the roasted kurmura, stir-fried peanuts, masala chana dal, roasted chana, sev and mix. Add some black salt and chaat masala. Add some puris and serve or store in an airtight container.